This is a video on the Lifeventure Safety Door Lock. This item is suitable for hotels and dormitories. It's to prevent people from entering your hotel room when you're asleep, or if you're when you're asleep, from obviously stealing your items. It's the construction of it is made of plastic, a thick plastic, with a plastic cord in between, keeping the two sections together. Basically, this fits into where the door lock recesses in the door jamb, and you close the door as normal, and then you enter this locking pin into there, which stops the door from opening. So I'll demonstrate it on the video, how you do it. Right, using my door as an example, what you do is you put the flat part here with the hook will fit into this part here. We'll put it into this part here, so I will stop the video and show you. Right, as you can see, I put that part in the door jamb. With this bit facing out. Next we take this bit here and we find the hole there and we feed that through and around. Now it's got different degrees on there for the different types of thickness of doors and where to place it. So I'll just place it like that for now. This bit you can actually fit around the handle here. So if I take this back out, it's a bit tricky because I've got to do it all one-handed. That fits around the door handle, and then that goes into there. And please forgive me because I've got my camera in one hand while operating this on another. Right, now that fits into the door there. And what that does is prevents the door, as you can see, from opening. And I'm trying to open the door and it prevents the door from opening. So this is your hotel door. Some hotels have locks up here, but some don't. Some can have a lock underneath, but others don't. So this is just extra protection, because as we know, thieves can be everywhere. So as I said, this locks the door like that and it prevents the door from being open. And to remove it, it's obviously simple. Just push on the small part of the hook, bring it through, bring it round, open the door, and that's it. And that can be taken out. Now I will leave in the description two companies that sell this, Lifeventure and another company called Hardwearing sells this product. They cost me roughly about £6 for it, and I think it's a nice bit of kit to take with you when you're traveling abroad, especially if you're in some dodgy hotel or even a 5-star hotel. Thieves can be everywhere. So I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.